Hi, from Great Taste of Las Vegas. Today we are making really easy mustard green that you can leave pickle in the refrigerator or outside, whatever you like to cook with your meal or eat by itself. So first we're gonna boil enough water with sugar, two of sugar, 2 salt, and 3 sugar, and then pack them in a jar and it's ready to eat. Hot water here. Before I cut that, I'm gonna warm up some water here. Put in 3 to 4 cups of water. 4 cups now for all that mustard green, yeah? In there, you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and just boil it, high heat, boil it. At the meantime, we will cut and chop some mustard green to make them in bite-sized pieces, too easy to eat, and wash away the there might be some dirt in here at the bottom of it, so make sure you clean it out. Already I saw there's a lot of dirt over there, sand or whatever that is. And then just cut them in bite-sized pieces where you would pick up and eat from the jar, right? You don't want to make it too big. Okay, so we're going to wash this with water first. There's some dirt in there, so we wash with water first. We're going to use some salt to wash it one more time. So it's in the salt right now. We're going to rinse it out. We bring this into the stove here and just blanch it for 2 minutes. The water is boiling now. We're going to blanch everything for a minute or two. 1 or 2 minutes just to kill germ and to soften this mustard green a little bit more. So about two minutes now. So we let it cool and then we can put it in a jar, leave it outside for a day. And these mustard green will be ready, yeah? And you save everything, juice and everything you can. Because this is a good mix for that. It kills germ. At the same time, you have mustard green to eat. It's fresh and good. And you can drink that soup too as well. So this is done. So after it cool now, you just put them in the jar, okay? Okay, so this is your pickle jar. Just leave it outside and for it to be sour a little bit and it fermented, and that should be a good one already for your pickle pasta green. Clean surrounding that. This is your pickle mustard green from Great Taste of Las Vegas. Hope you're happy and healthy.